As I mentioned in my earlier video, we are doing spring cleaning right now in my place. And we realized that there are plenty of garbage that had been sitting in our house for years. Furniture that being unused, clothes that never being used, and it's basically cluttered our place. The moment we remove all these things out from our house, through donation, through giving it away, we feel this sense of relief that somehow the house looks very spacious, and you just feel this sense of peace, like you throw out a lot of garbages in your house. Now, what are some of the garbages that you still keep in your heart? Things that you still keep. Is it anger? Is it hatred? Is it unhappiness? Complaining? In the book of 2 Corinthians chapter 5, verse 17 and 18, the Bible said that when we embrace Jesus, we become a new person. It also means that you throw away all the garbages in your life.